In this video, I'll show you how to fix FFmpeg error in Audacity. First part of the video, I'll show you how the problem arises and then premium solution for it. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Click Audacity icon on your computer. Then click on top left corner file menu. Click on import. Then click on audio which you want to add. You can see that this audio, which is actually .aac file, I want to add. Then the problem arises and showing the warning message containing this file .aac is an advanced audio coding file. Without the optional FFmpeg library, Audacity cannot open this file. You can get the associated help on clicking on the asking mark button. This is the solution page, but I have not found any solution because so many things are there and I have not found out which we have to click. So close this page and go to the previous page, this one. Now click on edit and then go to the preference. Then click on library. Then here you can able to see the FFmpeg import export library. Click on download FFmpeg library download. 50% work you have done now. For installing the FFmpeg import export library, you have to choose your operating system. As I am using Windows, so we have to go to Windows FFmpeg installation section here. Now click here. Installing FFmpeg for Windows. Then in the next page you have to go to the external link FFmpeg download page, this one. After clicking this, one new page will come. Scroll down slowly and go to Windows R FFmpeg installer. Click on this link FFmpeg version 2.2.2 installer.exe. Save it in your computer. After clicking save, it will be downloaded in your computer. Click on open when done. Then accept the license agreement. I accept the agreement and then click next. Then again click on next and choose your folder. Then click on install. The FFmpeg library will be installed in your computer. Finish it. Now your problem has been solved. To verify that your problem has been solved or not, click on file, then click on import. Click on audio and choose the audio file .aac file what already you have taken earlier. Click on that and then open. Now you can see Audacity can open that advanced audio file .aac. See here. So now work on the Audacity without any problem. Thank you.